Track 77.
The Ig Nobel Prize. Science tries to answer the biggest questions of our time. If we explore nearby galaxies, will we find other forms of life? Or, what will happen to the planet if we don't stop climate change? The greatest scientific achievements are awarded a Nobel Prize. Alexander Fleming, penicillin. Marie Curie, radioactivity. And Albert Einstein, E=mc², are all Nobel Prize winners. Science is serious, but scientists are only human, and sometimes they want answers to questions like, why do shower curtains blow towards you when you have a shower? And so the Ig Nobel Prize was born, with the aim of making people smile first and then think about science. Here's a selection of scientific ideas that have won an Ig Nobel Prize. If a cow has a name, it produces more milk. Farmers have always known this, but now there's proof. Cows without names produce about 13,000 liters a year, but cows with names produce 13,500 liters. This is probably because the cows with names feel more loved by farmers. When you drop a slice of toast, it falls to the ground with the buttered side down 80% of the time, according to experiments. This is because it usually falls from table height and only has time to turn over once before it reaches the floor. Mosquitoes love the smell of feet. They'll bite your feet if you take off your shoes. But Limburger cheese smells like feet and is even more attractive to mosquitoes, so they bite you less when there's Limburger nearby. This is a good example of how a silly discovery can be important. Cheesy mosquito traps now help in the fight against malaria, a disease that is carried by mosquitoes. Malaria kills 500,000 people per year. Only one person has won both an Ig Nobel and a Nobel Prize. André Geim made the headlines in 1997 for his flying frog experiment, in which he made a frog float in the air. Then, in 2010, he discovered graphene, a form of carbon that is 1 atom thick. Graphene is the thinnest and strongest substance known to man. There are no prizes for guessing which experiment won an Ig Nobel.